Hello everybody, SAP Simple here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to fix Google Pay not working. It's an easy process, so let's start. First of all, just open your settings app and then go to the apps options. After that, click to the see all apps or just search, just find Google Pay or GPay. Just open the GPay. After that, just click to the force stop and then click to the OK options. After that, go to the storage and cache and then click to the clear cache options and come back and click to the uninstall option if didn't work. So just if didn't those things not work, just click to the uninstall and reinstall the app. After that, your problem will be solved. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos.